Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Sport Altitude in granite crystal metallic. With deep tinted sunscreen windows, remote keyless entry, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 10958B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.